Title: 10 Essential Responsibilities of Homeownership You Should Know. Owning a home is a significant milestone that comes with many benefits, from building wealth to personalization. However, it also carries a set of responsibilities. To ensure you're fully prepared for homeownership or to enhance your care for your current home, consider these 10 key aspects of owning a property. 1. Mortgage payments. For most homeowners, the monthly mortgage payment is the most substantial financial obligation. While it may be higher than renting, opting for a fixed-rate mortgage provides payment stability. 2. Homeowners insurance. Mortgage lenders require homeowners to have insurance covering potential damage from catastrophic events. Even if you own your home outright, it's advisable to protect your investment with this type of policy. You can choose to wrap homeowners insurance into your mortgage payments, or pay the annual premium in a lump sum.